Hello, Paloma Valley students and families. This is the Paloma Valley Counseling Department, and today we're going to be talking to you about your status towards graduation and also about your grades during this grading period. Our grade report just came out, and students' final grades will be due in December. So we're going to talk to you about catching up on your grades and hopefully earning credit for first semester. Please take a moment to look at the counseling department staff members. We have our counselors, our lead counselor is Mr. Lumba. We have counselor Miss Roberts, who currently has a sub named Maria Hernandez, and that is for the students whose last names begin with the letter A through D. We have Mr. Pete Lopez, who has students with the last names E through LE. Ms. Kathleen Reed, who has students with the last name LI through RA. Mr. Howard Jackson, who has the students with the last names RE through Z. Mr. Will Warren, who has the students in special education, special programs. And then we have Miss Elise, who has the English language learners. Please identify who your counselor is because you will need to contact them to help you when it comes to graduation. We also have our principal, Dr. Jennifer Tomasian, and our assistant principal, Mrs. Claire Reese. Students are required to complete 225 credits in the Paris Union High School District. The credits are going to come from 4 years of English for 40 credits. Ninth grade year is first semester and second semester. 10th grade year is third semester and fourth semester. 11th grade is 5th and 6th semester, and 12th grade is 7th and 8th semesters, so a total of 40 credits. Passing grades are grades of A, B, C, and even D will earn a student 5 credits. For history, students must complete 3 years of history for 30 credits. World history is required in the 10th grade. U.S. history is required in the 11th grade, and a semester of American government and a semester of economics is required in senior year. Students will need to complete 3 years of math and at least Algebra 1 first semester and second semester. Students will need 3 years of science, 1 year of a life science, 1 year of a physical science, and the third year can be either a life or physical. Students are also required to complete 2 years of PE, 1 year of a fine art, 1 year of a foreign language, and 55 elective credits. So students, please take a moment to find out not only how many credits you have, but to double check that you have filled in a spot on each one of these credit areas. You can find your transcript in Infinite Campus. When you log into your Infinite Campus app or your Infinite Campus from your Chromebook, your account may look like this. Under Reports, you should be able to find your unofficial transcript. In here, you will also be able to check your grades. Remember, grades of A, B, C, and even D will earn 5 credits. If you earn a grade of an F, you will not earn credits and you will be considered credit deficient. If you fail too many courses, you may not have enough time to make up all the courses prior to graduation. This puts you in jeopardy of not graduating. It also may require you to leave Paloma Valley High School and go to another program to earn credits to graduate. The reason you are receiving this message in this academic intervention video is because you have 1 or more D or F. If you are a student that has more than 3 D's or F's, it is essential that you give attention to this video and follow the steps. Many students have low grades due to attendance, including tardies. If you are a student that needs to miss a day of school due to illness, it is your responsibility to inform your teacher and find out what you have missed. It is highly recommended that you do the work that you missed the same night or the very next night. after school the next day, please complete the work that you missed and turn it in as soon as possible. You can simply email your teacher, or you can go onto the teacher's Google Classroom or Canvas Classroom to find out what you've missed and how to make up the work. If you are a student that is habitually tardy, your grades can also be low because you are missing class time. You are also missing important information or work that is being done. When you are in class, it is very important that you use an agenda or some type of system to take notes. You will need to complete any task that is assigned during the class or that evening after school. If you are a student that comes to school every day on time, takes notes, and studies, then the chances of having low test scores is going to be very small. But if you are a student that is missing class, coming tardy, does not complete the work, and is also missing school, there is a very high likelihood that you will have low test scores. If you do not already have the Infinite Campus app, I highly recommend that you download this app onto your phone. You also have access to this from your Chromebook. I highly recommend that parents download Infinite Campus apps. It's also really important to communicate with your teacher. Again, I prefer email because it's a written record. Please make sure you're keeping current on all your work. If you have any questions about the work, when you can turn it in, or if you need to make anything up, you need to communicate with your teachers. If you need a planner, we do have agendas, planners in the counseling office for you. Many students do not complete work at school and think that they are going to complete work at home. But then when you get home, you may be tired, and then you might tell yourself that you're going to complete work at school the next day, and it never gets done. So if you're a student that does procrastinate, please make sure that you get help. Time management is essential for making sure that you're completing tasks on time. When you're at school, I highly recommend that you use your time wisely. If you have many distractions, please try to limit those. Try to surround yourself with students or other people that have the same goals that you have. Try to remove anything that's going to distract you, such as your phone. Oftentimes, video games, texting, and social media is what steals a student's time during the day and doesn't allow them to manage their time well. And again, we can't emphasize enough how important it is for you to take notes during class time, and even taking notes on what you have due, your upcoming tests, any holidays, anything that you need to be aware of. Reading a book, something that you enjoy, is also a very good way to learn more vocabulary, and it's also going to help you relax. It's also going to help you when it comes to test prep. If you know the scheduled test dates ahead of time, this allows you to be prepared for them, and it reduces less anxiety and stress. Each week, counselors have many parent-teacher conferences with teachers, students, and parents, and often this is what we discuss. The students need to come to school every day on time. While they are at school, they need to do more. They need to take notes, ask questions, come to study halls if it is available. They do need to go to every single class session. Every minute counts. We do ask that students pay attention in class. Please limit distractions. It could be a AirPod, headphones, social media, especially texting and cell phone. Also, socializing takes away your attention from the lesson. Make sure you're going home every night. You could even rewrite your notes and write any questions that you have in the margin. Also, we talked about learning further, which is reading. You can read for fun. You can also email and talk to your teachers. And in a moment, we're going to show you the paper co-tutoring. And we're also asking that you might need to consider changing your habits at home. We really want you to value your education. You're an example to your siblings if you have siblings. We want you to set high expectations of walking across the stage and getting that diploma. But that might take some changes in your habits. It might mean that you need to go to bed earlier and you need to be awake earlier so that you get to school on time. It may also mean that you need to create a well-lit study area at your home. It can be your table, and maybe you need to get out of your bedroom in order to focus and study more. All of our students have a paper.co account. This is 24 hours a day, 7 days a week tutoring. This program is not free, but the Paris Union High School District is paying for our students to use it. These tutors are live tutors and they're available around the clock. They can help you with your homework and so much more.
When you have a question past your teacher's bedtime, when they haven't used the quadratic formula in decades, when proofreading isn't their thing, when you're stressed and nothing makes sense, when you have a lot on your plate and could use a bit of help staying on track, there's paper. Paper provides students with unlimited 24/7 academic support. Our friendly tutors can help with anything that might be giving you trouble. Just say hello, let them know what you're working on, and one of our experts will help you out in real time. If you just need some feedback on your essay, Paper can help with that too. You can submit any written work to essay review. Just tell us what the assignment's about, and you'll get feedback within 24 hours. Compatible on all devices, Paper can help you no matter where you are. With unlimited, round-the-clock academic support, using Paper means making sense of school just got easier.
To access your account, simply go to paper.co and then you will log in using your student email. Once you are logged in with your student email, you're going to see your courses, your teacher's name, and you can simply click here to ask a tutor a question. For math, for example, you can take a picture and upload pictures of your math problems. If you're writing an essay, you can upload your essay right here, answer the questions, and you can get feedback on your essay. In addition, your counselor has access to see if you are using Paper. Students and parents, we're asking you to make a commitment today. We're asking you to take the right steps to graduate from Paloma Valley High School. It is going to take effort. We're asking you to come to class on time, prepared to work. If you're a student that does miss a lot of class time, your counselor may be putting in a request for a home visit. If you have many D's and F's and you do not come to school, that will be the next step. We are asking you to start coming to school on time, prepared to work. We're asking you to attend any tutoring sessions that your teachers may provide. But more importantly, we're asking you to access paper.co because it is available 24 hours a day. We're asking you to pass your classes and get the credit that you need to graduate. In addition to this video, there is going to be a link for you to make your commitment here. You are going to fill this form out and you're going to submit it. We are asking again that you come to school every day. For those students that have many D or Fs, you may receive a home visit. For other students, you may be receiving a phone call to have a follow-up meeting. Parents, please feel free to contact your student's counselor. You can contact a counselor to find out about graduation status. But if you want to know your child's grade, how they're doing in a class, or if they can make up any work or retake a test, you need to email the student's teacher directly. You can find all of this information in Infinite Campus. Thank you so much. We hope that all of you will take the right steps to start earning credit and graduate from Paloma Valley High School.